Hi everyone, today I'm gonna do another project of my 100 Python project challenge, and in this project I'm gonna do a mini guide, and will be the first time that I use classes. So let's start by defining our class. I will call it mini guide, and first I should define my init function, and here I should create my user's dictionary. So I will just say self.users equal empty dictionary. Then I will just create add a person function inside of my mini guide class. And I will use my self parameter from here. Then name, phone number, and email. Now I will just add this person to my user. So phone number. I should fix here. I can't use it that way. That's why I'm changing it with underscore. And my email thing. Yep. Now I will add another function and it will be delete person. I will call it here. We will take name as parameter and then we will just call. First we should print who we are deleting. So name, name is deleting if if our name in self.users we should remove it, so self.users dot pop our name, and if it's not we will print I colon find person. And for the last we should show our persons, so we'll call persons, and I should add self here. We will just print ourselves.users. And yep, now I should create an object of my class, and I will call it here Now I will call my functions and try if they work or not. um, 555 and John dot test gmail.com. Now I will just copy this and add another person, and it will be John 256 John test 2.gmail.com. Now I will call my text dot show persons and text dot delete person John 2 and text dot show persons again. Let's see if I did any mistakes. And yep, as you can see, it works. First, it creates this two person, it adds to this two person, then deletes one of them, the one that I choose, and it shows persons again. Now let's explain my class. First, I just created a class that named miniGuide, and I used init function of class. So what this init function does? This init function defines a variable that I can use everywhere with this self. For example, I defined self.users here, and then I call self here, and I can use self.users here again. That's why I'm using here unit defining function. And what did my add person function do? My add person function take three parameters and one from our init class. I took self.users from here, and name, phone, number, and email was my three parameters, and I used them here to add our person to our self.users dictionary. And how I did add it? First, I just take my name and I defined it as another parameter of my dictionary. For example, I added John here. Then I created another dictionary for John, and this dictionary will hold information about John. So that's how my add person function works. Then I added a delete person function, and I take just one parameter, and this parameter was our name. Then I printed our name is the person is deleting, and then I check for my name in our self.users our dictionary or not. If it's in our dictionary, then we will delete it by using pop, and else if my name isn't in my dictionary, self.users dictionary, then I will print I couldn't find that person. And for the last, I have show person function, and I'm using self parameter here and here again because I need it if I want to use self.users here. So, and I just printed my self.user dictionary here. Then what I did, I first called a instance of my miniGuide function, miniGuide class with text. Then I called my functions here. First, I called my add person function 2 times. Then I called show persons function. Then I used my delete person function. And then I used show persons function again. And I guess that's it. I can say that we are finally getting into object-oriented programming. Of course, these are just starting, and I can't say, of course, I can't say that I'm really good at object-oriented programming. I am just a beginner myself too. I'm learning while doing this project, while recording these YouTube videos. And I guess that's it for this project. So we will meet again in next project. So see you again, guys.